My Ferrero Rocher, bottle of water, on the road again. Off to the Pismo Dunes, eh?
Yeah.
We get here and apparently the creek crossing is closed, so everything past that point, which is where all the dunes are, all we can drive on now is the beach.
Oh, they're probably so bummed too.
Yeah, everyone's sad. This is all we get.
Hey, but where else can you drive on the beach? This is pretty awesome.
This is pretty cool still. I mean, I'm still having a good time, but
yeah.
I was trying to get some air today though.
Yeah, I know.
Oh well. Maybe we were gonna break something today.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe we were gonna break something and then it was all part of the plan.
Exactly.
Not too sure how well you guys can tell on camera, but the drone here was having a really hard time flying. I was trying to go that way, and the drone was going this way, so yeah, down it went, but we're good. That's a new bumper. Might have saved me a little bit.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Should I start gunning it backwards?
Too hard because you start spinning your wheels, you're not aired down. You'll never be able to dig into this.
That's a front bumper, but use my grill. I think my grill's good. Thank you. You cannot see that.
Yeah, that was a random.
I hit that perfect.
Yeah, you just so happened to turn at that time.
Get a view of that. I mean, come on.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you couldn't even
From this
tell.
angle, it looks so small.
That's wild.
That's crazy right there. I had a bad feeling about today too. Remember I was even saying earlier, I was like, well, maybe it's for a reason.
Yeah.
Maybe the dunes are closed for a reason.
It's for you to buy a new bumper.
Something bad's gonna happen, and then
Something bad happened.
something bad happens. But it's all good. The front bumper is really easy to fix.
Sometimes you take W's and sometimes you take L. You take
Yeah,
L's,
exactly.
so.
That was a capital L right there. But little piece of advice for anyone coming to Santa Barbara: don't bring anything bigger than a Tesla Model 3. We left to get some ice cream. It was worth it. We came back, there was no parking. I will say it was worth it, but look at this, dude. That's what you're dealing with. The parking in Santa Barbara here. Everything is super, super tight. Can you buy me a Rolex?
Sure, babe.
It just sounds really good. I mean, look at that. Scrambled eggs, bacon, avocado. That sounds bomb. I'll take the Rolex, please. What's going on, man? People out here hopping under my truck and taking photos by it and whatnot. See you guys. But, beautiful day. Really cold, but good views. Back home now, and dude, that was hands down the most unlucky timing, position, everything just lined up so perfectly in the worst way possible. That was literally the only hole in existence on the entire beach. Now, we were in Oceano Dunes, but the actual dunes were closed. So, driving on this like little mile of beach, we drove 2 hours to get there from Santa Barbara. So we're like, why not? We'll just drive on the beach and enjoy that for a minute, take some photos for the gram or whatever, and kick it for a minute, get some food, come back, chill by the water. So we're chilling, just cruising, enjoying the ocean view right here. You know what I mean? Playing some music and whatnot, just having a great day. Then out of nowhere, boom, dude, it's super loud. The truck stops out of nowhere. We're doing probably 7 to 10 miles an hour. So we go from that to a complete stop, and we go down, and we're like directly framed on this hard sand. Came out of nowhere though. That was the most thing, was like, it was just super unexpected and just startling, right? So I hop out and I see my front bumper is resting directly on the sand, and my rock sliders are resting on the sand as well, which, by the way, dude, those saved me from a lot more damage. That took the impact away from the sand hitting the doors, the skirt, maybe the fenders, the fender flares, and stuff like that too. It could have been a lot worse than it really was. So luckily it was just the bumper covers. I called up the Toyota dealership and I placed an order for the 2 bumper covers right there. Hopefully that's all it is, and not like the bumper support or something inside of the bumper cover itself. So hopefully not. We'll pull up right now and check it out and see what the damage is. And whoever dug that hole, I want names, because it's messed up, man. It's messed up, bro. So let's scope out the damages here and see what we got. So as you guys can see, obviously, giant dent right there. Could probably pull it out, actually make it look a little better in the meantime, but yeah, crack right there, crack right there. It's kind of loose as well. I'm thinking it needs some type of support bracket back there. Might need to replace, I don't know. Let's get behind there in a minute here and check it out. But a little scuff right there, but I can live with that right there. It's from the sand, kind of faded it, but I'm good with that. It's fine. If we can replace this piece right here and this piece here, then we should be good to go, I think. But let's crawl underneath it and see what the damage is. Oh wow. So it's looking like we broke the support from here to here. So we might actually need to buy a whole bumper support, unfortunately, unless it's attached to the bumper cover, but I'm pretty sure it's not. You guys can see right here, should be connected to this guy right here, like it is on that side. That's looking good, looking healthy. And then all clapped out over here. So yeah, no good, no good. Well, I was gonna wash my truck today, but apparently we have rain coming at some point today and tomorrow, as well as Thursday. So we'll scratch that idea for now, but I'll get the vacuum out and vacuum out all the sand from the interior, pull the old floor mats out and replace them with the new floor mats here from Last Fit, which just dropped from Last Fit for the 22 and up Tundras. So let's pull the floor mats out, vacuum out all the sand, throw those in, and we'll see how they compare to the original ones, how they fit, and how they look. Let's get to it. So I got all the floor mats laid out side by side, and initial impressions comparing the Last Fit floor mats here to the Tundra floor mats, definitely more coverage. The sides go up higher, which is awesome. You have this nice catch right here in case you chuck in rain, mud, any type of like liquid debris. It'll catch it really nicely in there and in all these nice deep channels, which are also nice and wide too, which makes it very easy to clean it. Compared to the OEM floor mats, dude, these things are super thin, feels so cheap and flimsy. This thing feels super stout. Cruise back to the rear, and just like with the front, you can see there's definitely some more coverage going on here, and a nice catch off there to the side for all that liquid and whatnot. So just like that, Last Fit does it again, dude, with the perfect fitment. This here will relax after a couple of hours in the warmer weather, but yeah, dude, perfect fitment, nice coverage. They look awesome too. And that's pretty much it, man. So I'm also gonna leave a coupon code down below in the description of this video for you guys as well. It's code MBN10. Use that at checkout for 10% off your entire order from Last Fit's website. Trust me when I say I do a ton of research before I buy literally anything. And the Last Fit floor mats right here are the way to go, down to the way they're fitted and the materials they use as well. It's all really good stuff, and as well as everything on their website. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys for today. As always, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, peace out.